Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me such a great opportunity to speak on Republic Day. Today we all are here to celebrate 73rd Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should congratulate each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate Republic Day in India on 26th January every year. Because the Constitution of India came into force on this day, we have been celebrating Republic Day of India continuously since 1950. Republic means the supreme power of the people, the country, and only the people have right to choose their representative as political leaders to lead the